Drift Enterprise Marketing iApp. The pros, the cons. Drift Enterprise Marketing iApp is designed to help enterprises convert website visitors into leads using AI-powered chat, automated workflows, and personalized messaging. But does it truly deliver measurable results for marketing teams? On the positive side, Drift allows enterprises to engage visitors in real time with chatbots that qualify leads, schedule meetings, and even provide tailored recommendations. The surprising truth is that Drift's AI can integrate with CRM and marketing automation platforms to automatically sync lead data and trigger follow-up campaigns, saving teams hours of manual work. Enterprises gain access to advanced analytics, conversation tracking, and lead scoring, which help refine messaging strategies and improve conversion rates. Drift also supports multi-channel communication, including email, chat, and video. However, there are some drawbacks. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI marketing chatbots can replace human sales entirely. While AI accelerates lead qualification, human follow-up remains critical for complex deals. Enterprise pricing can be significant, and customization requires technical expertise to fully leverage automation and integration capabilities. Teams may also face a learning curve in optimizing conversation flows for maximum impact. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise Marketing iApp is ideal for enterprises looking to enhance lead generation, improve engagement, and streamline sales workflows with AI assistance. Its strengths lie in AI-driven lead qualification, automation, and analytics. When combined with human sales efforts, Drift can significantly boost marketing ROI, reduce response times, and increase overall conversion rates.